certified in practical scaled agile Kanban framework or the CIPSA Kanban framework. The CIPSA Kanban framework is with respect to scaling multiple Kanban teams. I am Satyanarayan Das. I am CIPSA certified and CHAMP certified. CHAMP stands for Certified Hybrid Agile Master Professional. In this video, I am going to briefly explain the CIPSA Kanban framework. We have a single product backlog which is cross-team defined. This single product backlog will be presented by the Chief Product Owner or the Chief Service Request Manager, which is a possible role also in Kanban, to the CIPSA team in the CIPSA Kanban planning meta event. Now what do I mean by CIPSA team? It is a combination of individual Kanban teams. So here we have 4 Kanban teams. Together these 4 Kanban teams will be called as the CIPSA team. In the CIPSA Kanban planning meta event or meeting, the CIPSA Kanban backlog will be prepared. And here it will be decided what are the items that you are going to deliver in the upcoming release. In Kanban, there is no concept of iteration or sprint. Or rather, we deliver the increments based on a cadence. Cadence is a rhythm of execution. So these meta events in Kanban will be based on a cadence. Now the CIPSA Kanban planning meeting will be immediately followed by individual team Kanban planning meetings. In the individual team Kanban planning meetings, the team Kanban backlogs will be prepared. Here, what are the product backlog items are decided. Here, how to do those work items will be decided. That is, the backlog items will be broken down to individual tasks. Next, the work begins. As the work begins, we'll have CIPSA daily stand-up, where the needed representatives from the CIPSA team will be participating. This will be facilitated by the principal flow master. In Kanban, the principal flow master is the mirror reflection of the principal scrum master as in Scrum. The CIPSA daily stand-up will be preceded by individual team level daily stand-up, which is shown in this dotted circle. Next, we'll have the CIPSA integrated increment. Mark the wording, integrated increment. Because we are not focused on individual team Kanban increments, or rather it is an integrated increment. And this will be presented in the CIPSA Kanban review meta event, where the stakeholders will be deciding to accept or reject the increment. The CIPSA Kanban review meta event will be replacing the individual team level Kanban review event, because our focus is not with respect to individual team increments, rather it is with respect to the CIPSA integrated increment. The CIPSA Kanban review meta event will be followed by another meta event that is called CIPSA Kanban retrospective. In this meeting, the CIPSA team will be deciding what are the improvements that can be done. And this meeting is also going to be facilitated by the principal flow master. If any improvements are coming up or taken up, this will be coming up in the next CIPSA Kanban planning meta event. You would have noticed another dotted rectangle. This dotted rectangle is with respect to individual team Kanban retrospective. The individual team Kanban retrospectives precedes the CIPSA Kanban retrospective meta event. Also, in the CIPSA Kanban review meta event, it is possible that you might have some product backlog adjustment. If that happens, this is where the dotted line is coming up, the product backlog will get updated. So the CIPSA Kanban framework is very easy to follow. Earlier I have explained the CIPSA Scrum framework. Here again we have 3 artifacts: the product backlog, the CIPSA Kanban backlog, and CIPSA integrated increment. And we have multiple meta events such as CIPSA Kanban planning, CIPSA daily stand-up, CIPSA Kanban review, CIPSA Kanban retrospective, and of course the release, which are all based on a cadence. And the 2 primary roles which are added are the Chief Product Owner if it is a product backlog, or the Chief Service Request Manager if you are providing a service, and the Principal Flow Master. I would definitely recommend that you download the CIPSA Framework Guide. The CIPSA Framework Guide link as well as this video with more understanding with respect to CIPSA Kanban framework is available in a post, a detailed post. Those links will be available in the video description notes below. Go through those links. In addition, I have also provided links with respect to how to do Kanban scaling in a hands-on manner with Agile or MS Project Agile software. CIPSA Scrum framework or CIPSA Kanban framework are the only frameworks, or in toto, the CIPSA framework is the only framework available in the world which tells you how to do scaling in a practical hands-on manner. So go on, read the post, download the guide, learn from it, and if you have any feedback or suggestions, drop me a mail at managementyogi.com. The specific email ID is managementyogi@gmail.com.